Every shot in your video should have a purpose. It should have a reason for existing. If the shot doesn't have a purpose, then it doesn't belong in your video. It's wasted time. A video is, by definition, boiled down time. It's time that's become essential. It is just the important parts of a story, and it wouldn't be important if it didn't have a purpose. So describe that purpose. Maybe you're trying to establish a character or establish a location or a setting. Maybe you're trying to show some detail. Maybe you're trying to explain something that happened earlier, or you need to cover a scene. Maybe we need to cover, for instance, the whole parking lot to show that there's a parking lot before we can have Joe walk into it. Or we need to cover a restaurant to show this location before Susan sits down at a particular table. Maybe we need to reveal something. Maybe it's something that a character looked at, and now we need to show it in close-up to make sure the audience sees it. Or maybe it's something that a character doesn't know about that we're revealing to the audience to make suspense. Maybe we're trying to create some kind of connection between characters. Every shot should have a purpose, and here's where we're going to describe the purpose of each of your shots.